Hey guys, I bought this on Amazon. As you can see, to put more stuff because I needed more storage. But I didn't. I had like some. It comes with three doors on top and bottom, as you can see. But I originally wanted, like, I was looking for like something that had this side open, so I did not put the doors for those, but I still have them, as you can see. But still, I actually love it. It's very sturdy. I'm 5'4" and weighed like 115, and I was able to build it all on my own. But I do think putting this part on is heavy, so you would need someone else. But other than that, you know, it has little switches there, the little light. And let me just keep that unplugged because I have other stuff in plug there. There was like some chipping, but not something so bad, like right there. Like right there. Like, I did feel like there were some doors that looked like they had been painted over, but it wasn't like such a big deal. It was like, so I just, you know, I kept it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The drawers, so smooth. But yeah, hope you guys love it.